Okay, pork grinder, go for it.
Thank you, Larry.
There we go. Oh, look at this. That's what you mean by
Okay,
tail on.
hold on. Wait till it fills. Okay, wait till it fills and just kind of let it fill like a balloon. Okay, Larry, I want you to let out the main just a little bit more.
This side. Am I in your way?
No, I'll let you know.
Okay, right about there. Now you have got to steer, you've got 4 degrees on either side or else you're off.
This is
4
tough.
degrees, Chris.
This is tough. This is tough.
This is called wing on wing. Extremely difficult position to maintain and hold, but he's got it. So
Go, Chris.
Wow. So we got this thing flying like a spinnaker over here, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that balloon on that.
and these guys on the port side, they've been looking at you, trying to figure out how do you do it. How you doing it.
Because they're not getting anywhere. I can't eat David's now because of that.
So, Chris, you know where to go?
Yeah, airport.
Yep.
Airport.
Yeah, we're leaving on a jet
Go to the
plane.
airport. Turn
Okay.
left instead of right.
Yep. Harbor
Larry
Island.
said.
Yep, right across from the airport. It says Harbor Island. You take that.
Well, good thing Maria knows where we're going.
Oh, sorry.
You're gonna get us a ticket. We're all pulled over. Sorry, Mark.
Well, not us, just Chris.
Sorry, Mark. My brother Chris got a ticket.
Yeah, but he doesn't have the glasses on yet.
Yeah, but as soon as he does.
Who wants to see Larry?
All the women in the world. Okay, quit playing with your glasses.
Well,
Let's
you
see,
know,
Larry.
Elizabeth's
Get
bag.
yourself some. Hey, Maria, check him out.
I
Like
think-
a highway
That's
patrolman.
what
I think Jeff's gonna be coolest with his 1982
He
glasses.
looks like a total cop.
Highway patrolman.
Doesn't he?
Now you don't look like a
Looks like
cop.
the kind of cop that is totally bad in terms of
Yep, I am.
pay me and then I'll let you go maybe.
Now the term cutter comes from the term of a ship cutting off another in the process of trying
Seriously?
to stop.
Go ahead. I'll be coming.
That's why they're called cutters. And they were started, and if the revenue cutter system became the Coast Guard. Go ahead and step down. I'll take that for you. I have a Riesling and I have a Muscat Canali.
I'd like to try the Muscat.
Well, you guys, I'm glad you're doing the work up there.
Yeah.
What the line? You convinced me. I am boring about it.
I am boring with.
Yes, not tropical storm season.
Doesn't that make it more exciting?
Sure it does. I know it's not German,
I mean, you don't want
but it's
flat
Mexican,
water.
which
That's
is the
boring.
next best thing.
Yeah.
You know, I've watched
German
those
Earth Alarm,
videos
I don't
about
know.
those rogue waves.
Okay, to control the position of the sail, you use a piece of line. There are no ropes on a boat, by the way. No ropes on a boat. This is line. Okay. But when the line is connected to a sail, or it's a control piece of the sail, we call this a sheet. So this is connected to the jib, and therefore it is called the jib sheet.
Jib sheet.
Okay. There's a line that comes down, hits a couple of blocks, or what you know as pulleys, comes back, and it comes back to this winch right here. So that's where he's got his hand on. That is called, that is connected to the mainsail, and that line is called a main sheet. Okay, so jib sheet, main sheet. Okay, again, important terms. We're not going to go through the entire nautical nomenclature, but important terms because we're going to use them today.
And you give people alcohol first, and then you make them remember that.
That makes it more pliable.
And what's good about it is we're going to keep doing the alcohol through the day.
That's right.
So you get better.
Yeah. Or at least you think you do. So, and that's what it's all about. It's all about perception. And we're going to get good at it, but we're going to really suck at it to begin with. But you start working as a team, and pretty soon we're going to be turning like that. Okay? Always happens, believe me. Okay. Once he takes that strap off, Larry, you're going to just undo it from the furler, from the pincher there. Yep. Okay. And then all the way. All the way. All the way.
Hard as you can, fast as you can, until you start.
for you.
So, Eureka, what you need to understand is that the key to tacking a boat is that you feel the fibers of the rope. The rope fibers are critical. You need to have a properly wound rope. When you pull it is what makes the tacking proper. Eureka, did you have something to say to me?
It's a line, not a rope.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I meant the line. The sheet. The line rope sheet. Yes.